Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the device model and OS so you know where Hotspot history lives. Once done, turn off the hotspot to avoid new entries. Make sure any tethered sessions are closed. Next, open Settings and navigate to Network, Connections, or the Direct Hotspot menu. This locates the configuration and any session logs. You do this because some systems only allow history removal while the feature is disabled, and it ensures a clean, consistent deletion without partial remnants. You now find the hotspot history or connected devices list inside the hotspot section. Sometimes it's labeled logs or usage. Tap an entry to reveal options like delete, clear history, or forget. Use the appropriate button. If the interface supports batch selection, mark multiple items to speed the process. Also check other profiles or administrator accounts and repeat as needed. This step removes stored device names and timestamps so connections no longer show up, and avoids accidental reconnection to old devices. You finish by restarting the device to ensure the system purges cached records. This completes the deletion process. After reboot, verify the hotspot area no longer lists previous connections. If entries remain, reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and hotspot data, but may require re-entering passwords. If that fails, check for OS updates or contact vendor support because some firmware bugs prevent history clearing. One quick troubleshooting tip: try toggling hotspot off, wipe cache, and then repeat the delete action.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.